Good morning, student. Today we are going to read class third computer. Chapter number is computer basic. Previous topics we have learned what is computer and its uses and its application. So let's revise again. What is computer? Computer is an electronic machine that works according to the instruction given by us. It can do various types of work due to which its usage has grown a lot in past years, or we can simply say that computer is a electronic device that process input information from input device and produce the desired result through output device. Okay, and we know already that the use of computer in our everyday life is like banks, hospitals, schools, media, communication, business, shops, travel, etc. Okay, in this particular example, we use computer for various activity as I am already told you in previous video. Now let's start with new topic, and the topic name is characteristic of computer. It's mean what's its features. First we have to know what is the feature of computer so that it makes so popular. Okay, the first feature of computer that make it very popular in many user, that's its speed. The speed of computer is very high. It can do billions and billions of jobs in few seconds. Accuracy and reliability. Second important feature of computer is accuracy and reliability. A computer always gives correct result if we give proper instruction to do it. Okay, like human, we are not always do any work with 100% accuracy, but a computer machine can do any work with 100% accuracy without any error. Okay, that's why computer is so popular. And the third topic is diligence. Diligence means a computer does not get tired. It can keep working for long hours and can do the same work again and again. It's mean a computer can do any task without being tired and without being error. It can do any task with longer hour and can do a repetition of work without any error. Like human easily get tired if he works a longer hour. Okay, that's why computer machine is very diligent. And the third important feature of computer is its huge storage capacity. A computer can store lots of data which can be used as and when required. Fourth point is multitasking. A computer can easily perform various tasks at the same times. These facilities makes a computer more popular in everyday lives because we have to do many tasks in a small time of frame, and for that particular needs demand us to use this feature in computer, whereas human are not multitasking, and the chances of getting error while doing any work in human is always high, whereas in computer it can do any multitask without any error and in less time frame. Okay, these are the special feature of computer that makes it special. What are the feature of computer? First one is speed, second one is accuracy and reliability, third one is diligence, fourth one is huge storage capacity, and the fifth one is multitasking. Okay, now we are going to read next topic, that is working of a computer. This is the topic we are going to discuss, that is we are okay. Okay, now we are going to understand how a computer works. You can look at this picture. Okay, the computer generally take the procedure to do any task is called IPO cycle. You can see this part, it is called IPO cycle. It's mean it can do, you can see IPO cycle. IPO means input, I means input, P means process, on and O means output. It's mean that we can do any number of process in between. It's mean we can do, we are going to understand how a computer works. Basically, let's take an example. For example, if we are going to make this cake, you can see in this picture, this is your output result, that is cake. And where we prepare this cake inside this microwave oven. Okay, in this oven, when we put the following ingredient, that is that this ingredient. Okay, so computer works as the following process. First we have to provide input, that is this part is called input. We can say that the input is the ingredient of the cake. Similar way in computer we have to provide some information so that computer can process. While computer process in which part, it is called CPU, and the full form of CPU is central processing unit. In this example, this microwave oven represent as CPU, where the following ingredient, that is this ingredient, we mix together and put inside the microwave oven. After sometimes the desired output will be produced. That is, after processing the required ingredient in microwave, we get what is cake. You can see in the following example, we get the desired output as a cake. Similar way in computer, when you give desired information in computer first, what does computer do? Computer first analyze the required information. After analyzing, it process the information inside the CPU, and when it process the information, it give the required result to outside world with the help of which device? Output device. And the output device example is monitor, printer. Okay, these are the output device from which user get the information after processing inside the CPU. Now we are going to move on next topic, that is called input, process and output. Right now we are learning how a computer works, and we are seeing an example in which we know that computer works on the basis of these three cycles, and these three cycles is called, what is called this three cycle? This three cycle is called input, process and output, and when these cycles combine together, we called it IPO cycle. Okay, whatever the information we required as a output, first we have to provide which medium? Through input device, and the input device is keyboard, mouse. These devices are called input device, and what these device do, this in device help us to feed the desired information inside a computer. Okay, so input is a very important part in a computer. Now let's read the definition of input device. Input means the data and instruction which a computer get is called input. The computer get this instruction through the input device called keyboard or mouse. Similarly, in process, the entire data is processed or changed into meaningful information with the help of CPU, and the full form of CPU is central processing unit. After processing this information, the information is passed on output device, that is we call monitor or printer. The result of process is known as output, and the output is displayed through the output device, and the example of output device is monitor and printer. You can see in this picture, this is called keyboard. You can look in this picture, this is called keyboard. And keyboard is an input device. Keyboard is what? Keyboard is an input device through which we give certain set of instruction to a computer. After giving the certain set of instruction, this information pass to which cycle? Process cycle. And the process cycle is called CPU. And this is the example of CPU. We call central processing unit. Under the CPU, the information processed, and after processing the information, this information passed to output device. You can see this is a monitor, and monitor is a output device through which we can see process information which already processed inside the CPU of a computer. Okay, I hope you understand the basic principle of working model of a computer. Computer has how many state? Three state of working model. First one is input, second one is process, and the third one is output device. I hope you understand the working principle of a computer.